Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8A and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on apps, the second position basically. And now 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Here at the bottom of this list, we've got this Reset Up Preferences option, so let's tap. And as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.